So let's dive right in. I'm going to do this on the acoustic. Obviously there's acoustic and electric in this, but I'm just going to show you it on this. Tuning's the usual Jerry standard fare where you tune your whole guitar down half a step, okay? So that'll be any flat chord, okay? So there's basically 3 riffs in this. We're starting the first one with an A minor shape. And if you take your first finger off, that gives you an A sus2 shape. That's all you're going to use for the first half of this section, okay? And there's some picking. So you can either use your fingers and play. You know, along those lines. Or you can use a pick to play the root note. And then I'm using my third finger to pluck the top E string at the same time, okay? Alright, and then and now again to speed. And you just repeat that around. Now if you don't want to do the picking, you could just strum it, and you basically strum the A minor for a beat and a half, and then you take your first finger off for the last 2 beats of the second bar. So that would be. So you could play along with it that way if you want. And then the second half of this phrase goes. Right, and that's the overdub, but the acoustic underneath is just doing picking, so. So you could go ahead and arpeggiate all of that if you wanted. Around like that. Just an idea. All right, so that is. So those chords are just C to D, and then you go back into the A minor part. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, etc. The next section goes like this. That's that part. If you're playing it on an acoustic, you could just play the full chords if you want. It would be an F major, and that would just do a power chord slide. And you're playing an A minor there, right? So it's. Alright, so you can put the slide in. But if you want to play it like he does on the electric, I think he's just playing an octave here. On the first fret, low E, and then a slide from the 3rd to the 5th. But what's the timing? Because he comes in on the 4 and, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then you've got this. So you'll hear. So 5th fret on the A, bent and released, and then the 4th fret. Lush little fiddle. Then the second time round, just a couple of octave slides. As per tab, okay? And then we have the chorus, which is awesome. Basically, that is A minor, C, D, A minor, C, D, A minor. All right, so nothing new in terms of chords, but just watch the phrasing, because some of them he goes in just before the stronger beat, right? So it goes like this: 2, 3, 4. All right, and then round again. So. there you have it. All you need to play the tune. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.